Well, hello everybody. It's been about 2 months since I've made a video, so it's definitely time. And the forecasters are calling for about 2 to 4 feet of snow tonight in the foothills, so definitely time for a camping trip. I'm out in Lowry State Park with my friend Kyle.
Hey, how are you doing?
Met him about a year ago doing some snow camping up the Poudre Canyon, and he's just as crazy as I am. We also have Lego with us. Lego! Lego loves Kyle. Given how much snow we're expecting, I'm actually going to go ahead and chain up the rear tires before we start hiking. And then we're going to cruise up to a little camp spot behind Arthur's Rock.
That's good.
Well, after about half an hour of fiddling around trying to put those chains on, we're finally moving. Wonder how deep it's going to be tomorrow. Pretty glad we got those chains on the back tires, because I'm pretty sure we're going to need them. There you go, this way. Kyle's getting a lesson in how Ryan hikes, meaning I stop constantly to film and take photos. I was just asking him to imagine hiking the Colorado Trail with me like Ryan and I did about 2.5 years ago. Stopping 80 times a day, still trying to make 15 miles a day. It's doable, but I can be a pain. There goes Lego. Lego, are you a snow dog? That dog loves the snow. We should be at our camp spot in about 20 or 25 minutes. That's a little after 7. Snowing pretty hard, not too crazy yet. It's supposed to really start nuking about midnight or so. Oh, how's it going, bud?
It's gone.
Lego, how's Pepper Dog?
You got a stick?
Lego, bring it here.
Yeah.
Bring her, throw it. Good boy.
Oh.
Oh, my camera. That's my new R5. Looks like a giant snowball right now, but I'm still using it. Still works just fine.
Wow. Yeah, we're at least at 2 feet now.
All right, Lego, go. Time to dig out 10 again. Hey, figure at least 2 feet, huh?
Yeah, probably at least 2 feet deep.
Dang. Look at all the snow, Lego. Oh boy. Eat your breakfast, Lego. Good dog. The lens is so foggy, it's so humid in this tent.
Yes. We're struggle cuddling. Yes.
Oh look, Lego made a new friend.
Yes.
Lego, did you sneak in the tent? Oh boy.
I think.
Kyle, I think he likes you.
I think so.
Look at how happy that dog is. Oh boy. Well, it's time to put our clothes on and strike camp. It's dumping snow outside. The wind really picked up too. But Kyle and I both slept like a baby last night.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty sure this little thing did too. Lego, did you sleep like a baby? That's because you are a baby. I love that dog.
Oh, look at that stick, Lego. You gotta throw it. You ready? Oh, good boy. we got the tent. Yes, you ready?
Well, we're up and at 'em. There's a ton of snow out here. It's almost hard to imagine this much snow fell overnight. Look at this. Rock right behind our tent. It's coming down. Lego likes it. Don't you, Lego? That's because Lego's a snow dog. Oh, got a stick. Imagine that. Wow, it's up over my knees. It's definitely over 2 feet of snow. It's still coming down 2 or 3 inches an hour. There's our tent. Stayed in Hilleberg Staika last night. Dug it out twice. Each time it was buried under about 1.5 feet of snow. There's my camping buddy. It's Lego. He wants me to throw the stick. Okay. Almost told you to release like a dog.
Take it, Lego.
That'll work. I want to grab the sack and open that up for me. Yep. Beautiful. Thanks, sir.
Sweet.
Now it's time to head back to the Jeep and dig it out. Thankfully, we already chained up the rear tires and blast through some snow to get home. Come here. Let's go, Lego dog. Let's go. So we're at just about waist deep in places now. Realistically, there's probably 30 to 35 inches of snow, probably closer to 35. We have 1 mile left to go to the parking lot. And while our Parks Pass expires at noon for our overnight permit, I don't think anybody's checking today. For reference, I'm 6'1". That way.
Yeah.
The trail system is completely unrecognizable. There's so much snow. So cool. Look at this. Lordy State Park. March 14th, 2021. Snow is 3 feet deep and rapidly getting deeper. Crazy workout. Still dumping. Somewhere up there is Arthur's Rock. Kyle's turned to break trail. We each go about 100 yards and then we'll swap because it is exhausting. Lego. Hi little dog, how you doing, pup? It's a little deep. no kidding. Look at this cute little dog. That's my buddy. Kisses? Oh, hi. There you go, you're doing so well. Doing so well, Papa. Whew. What a crazy adventure. We've got about 100 yards left to go, 150 yards. We got to get into this gully here, but it's full of snow. I'm guessing it's chest deep. Time to put the gloves back on.
Good deal.